Today we're gonna replace the crankshaft sensor. Yesterday the check engine light came on, but not before the car shutting off. I was driving on the highway and the car just stopped. Now we're gonna remove the screws here to remove the plastic. Gonna remove the plastic. Looks like a hidden screw there. Right, we can see the sensor right there. The crankshaft sensor is over there. Can you see it? I'm gonna point it to you. It's right there. Right there. That thing all the way in the back. Yeah, that thing. We're gonna remove that and replace it. I had to improvise because I've been trying to pull that bolt out, but it's too far inside, and I'm gonna use this. This long tool was with the jack, and I'm probably gonna loosen it up with this and a 10mm. Shit. Still coming out. It's not easy to pull that bolt out. That's gonna be the hardest part you're gonna deal with. You can see the brake line. It's blocking. It finally came out. Finally. You can see it right there. Still fighting, huh? You're still fighting. You don't want to come out. Oh, I got it. There it is. Oh, it's in terrible shape. That sensor is in terrible shape. It looks so dirty. Yep. Look at this. How dirty it is. I think it's magnetized. I see some something stuck, like pieces of metal. Now we're gonna install the new one. Hopefully the check engine light goes off and everything's gonna be good. We're gonna compare the new one, the old one. Make sure it's the same one. Looks exactly the same. Alright, we're gonna install the new one. Make sure it clicks. Alright, it clicked. This is not easy, but it's doable. It's doable. You don't have to be a professional mechanic. I am not a professional mechanic. But I saw a tutorial, just like the way you're doing now. I mean, the filming is terrible, but it's not easy to film, work at the same time. I'm gonna put the damn screw back. Pain in the ass screw. Okay, we installed the sensor. We're gonna see if the car starts. Ooh, it started right away. Let's see, the check engine light goes out. Looks like it's still there, but it started right away. The car, before I installed the sensor, it didn't start right away. We're gonna clear the code with my amateur scanner. I think it's called Blue Drive. Yeah, the check engine light's still on. See, clear code. We're gonna clear the code, and I guess I'm gonna give you an update on the comments. See if it worked or not. Okay, the check engine light is not on anymore. I cleared it. It says 2 codes found. Enter. Okay, now we don't have codes anymore. And hopefully that was the problem. On the save report, it said let's see. It said report replace engine crankshaft. And that's what we did today. And it says it's very common on a Nissan Pathfinder. And it gives you like a, like it tells you what's the possible reason. But I think that was a problem, because now the car started right away. And we don't have that problem anymore, the long crank. I think we're good. You can do it yourself and save a lot of money. You just need to have basic tools, at least basic tools.